New Jersey, home of boardwalks, where the ocean meets the land in a symphony of waves and laughter. The boardwalks are a place of joy, where families gather, friends meet, and memories are made. And of course, it's the land of Bruce Springsteen, the legendary rock star whose music has defined generations. But recently, New Jersey found itself with a new claim to fame: mysterious drones. For weeks, strange lights danced in the night sky, captivating the imaginations of those who witnessed them. These lights, flickering and darting, seemed to defy explanation. People reported seeing them everywhere, from the dense, eerie woods of the Pine Barrens to the quiet, peaceful suburbs. What were these drones? Were they harmless or something more sinister? The questions hung in the air, as mysterious as the lights themselves. The mystery gripped the state. Theories ran wild, spreading like wildfire through communities. Neighbors gathered in backyards, on street corners, and in local diners, debating the origins of these enigmatic lights. Some said they were just airplanes, their lights playing tricks on the eyes of the beholders, mistaken for something more exotic and otherworldly. Others whispered of government conspiracies, secret tests, and even alien visitors. The idea of extraterrestrial life visiting the Garden State was both thrilling and terrifying. Investigators and researchers took to the field, armed with flashlights and cameras, hoping to capture definitive proof. But the truth, as always, was harder to find. The lights remained elusive, their origins shrouded in mystery. But the search for answers revealed something just as fascinating: the human capacity for wonder, fear, and belief. In the end, it wasn't just about the lights in the sky, but about the stories we tell, the mysteries we chase, and the endless curiosity that drives us to look up and ask, what if? The simplest explanation is often the most likely. Could these drones be nothing more than ordinary airplanes? At night, even familiar objects can appear strange and unfamiliar. The flashing lights of a plane seen from below could easily be mistaken for a drone. Our brains are wired to find patterns even where none exist. We see a few lights moving in the sky and our minds fill in the blanks, creating a story that fits the limited information we have. This is how myths and legends are born. In an age of global tensions, it's natural to fear the unknown. Some people believed the drones were sent by foreign powers to spy on the United States. Drones are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of flying long distances and carrying advanced surveillance equipment. The idea of a foreign adversary watching our every move is unsettling. It plays on our fears of invasion and espionage. While this theory is not impossible, it's important to consider the evidence. Were there any other indications of foreign activity in the area? Or were people simply projecting their own anxieties onto the unknown? One of the more intriguing theories involved lost radioactive material. Rumors circulated that the drones were searching for something dangerous, something that could pose a threat to public health. This theory tapped into our primal fear of invisible dangers. Radioactive material is a powerful symbol of unseen danger. We can't see it, smell it, or taste it, yet it has the potential to harm us. This fear is often exploited in movies and books, where invisible threats create a sense of constant dread. Section 5. Secret missions, government or corporate secrets. The government, with its penchant for secrecy, is often blamed for unexplained phenomena. Some people speculated that the drones were part of a classified military operation or a covert corporate project. The idea of shadowy organizations operating beyond public scrutiny is a popular theme in conspiracy theories. We live in a world where information is power. When the government or powerful corporations keep secrets, it fuels suspicion and distrust. People naturally want to know what's going on, and when they're denied information, they often fill in the blanks with their own imaginations. Section 6. The psychology of deception, why we want to believe. The human mind is wired to seek patterns and explanations. We are drawn to stories, even if they are not true. This is why we love mysteries, conspiracies, and tales of the unknown. The New Jersey drone sightings played on this innate desire to believe. When we're confronted with something we don't understand, our brains try to make sense of it. We look for connections, patterns, and explanations. This is how we learn and adapt to the world around us, but it also makes us vulnerable to deception. Section 7. Sawyers, wisdom. Deception in action. In Mark Twain's classic novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, the titular character uses deception to his advantage. Tom Sawyer is a master of trickery, and his cleverness is evident throughout the story. He is not just a mischievous boy, he is a strategist who understands human nature deeply. One of the most famous examples of his cunning is when he tricks his friends into whitewashing a fence. What starts as a punishment turns into an opportunity for Tom. He convinces his friends that painting the fence is a privilege, a rare and enjoyable task. They end up begging him to let them do his work, even offering their prized possessions in exchange for the chance to paint. Tom's ability to manipulate situations extends to his romantic endeavors as well. He convinces a girl he loves her, using his charm and wit to win her affection. His actions, though playful, show his understanding of how to influence others' emotions and perceptions. Perhaps the most dramatic instance of his deception is when he fakes his own death. This elaborate ruse allows him to witness the reactions of his friends and family, giving him a unique perspective on his own life and the people around him. While Sawyer's deceptions are harmless, they illustrate the power of suggestion and the human tendency to believe what we want to believe. His actions highlight how easily people can be influenced when they are presented with a compelling narrative. Tom's adventures serve as a reminder of the thin line between reality and perception. Just as Sawyer used deception to achieve his goals, those spreading misinformation about the New Jersey drone sightings were able to manipulate public perception. The drone sightings created a buzz, capturing the public's imagination and sparking widespread speculation. They played on people's fears and anxieties, tapping into the collective unease about surveillance and privacy. The idea of mysterious drones flying overhead was enough to cause a stir, leading people to jump to conclusions without concrete evidence. By creating a narrative that was both compelling and false, the perpetrators of this hoax demonstrated how easily misinformation can spread. In an age where information is readily available and rapidly disseminated, the line between truth and fiction becomes increasingly blurred. The New Jersey drone sightings serve as a modern-day example of how deception can shape public perception, much like Tom Sawyer's antics did in his small town. Section 8. The real impact, public perception and misinformation. The New Jersey drone sightings highlight the power of misinformation in the digital age. Rumors and speculation spread like wildfire on social media, fueling fear and distrust. The lack of clear information from official sources only made the situation worse. In a world saturated with information, it's more important than ever to be critical thinkers. We must be able to distinguish between fact and fiction, evidence and speculation. Failure to do so can have real-world consequences, eroding trust in institutions and each other. Section 9. Conclusion. The truth is out there, maybe. The true nature of the New Jersey drone sightings remains a mystery. Were they misidentified airplanes, foreign drones, or something else entirely? The sightings have sparked numerous theories and debates, each more intriguing than the last. Some believe they were advanced military technology being tested, while others think they could be extraterrestrial visitors. The lack of concrete evidence leaves room for endless speculation. We may never know for sure. The ambiguity surrounding these events only adds to their mystique. It's a puzzle that continues to captivate the minds of both skeptics and believers alike. The unanswered questions keep the story alive, fueling curiosity and wonder, but the incident serves as a reminder of the power of perception and how easily our senses can be deceived. What we see isn't always what is truly there. Our minds can play tricks on us, especially when faced with the unknown. This phenomenon highlights the importance of questioning our initial impressions and seeking out more information before drawing conclusions. The allure of the unknown, which has always fascinated humanity. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the unknown has been a source of inspiration and fear. It drives us to explore, to push the boundaries of our understanding, and to seek out new frontiers. The mystery of the New Jersey drone sightings taps into this deep-seated curiosity and the importance of critical thinking in a world awash in information. In an age where information is readily available at our fingertips, it's crucial to discern fact from fiction. Critical thinking allows us to navigate through the noise and find the truth. It encourages us to ask questions, to seek evidence, and to remain open-minded yet skeptical. As we look up at the night sky, we are reminded of our place in the vast universe. The stars have always been a source of wonder and inspiration. They remind us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our planet. Each twinkling light is a reminder of the mysteries that await discovery. We should remember that not everything is as it seems. Optical illusions and mirages show us how easily our perceptions can be fooled. They teach us to question what we see and to look deeper for the truth. In the same way, the New Jersey drone sightings challenge us to look beyond the surface and to consider all possibilities. The universe is full of mysteries, each one more intriguing than the last. From the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, there is so much we have yet to discover. These mysteries drive scientific inquiry and fuel our imagination. They remind us that there is always more to learn and explore, but it's up to us to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism and a commitment to seeking the truth. Science and critical thinking are our tools for uncovering the mysteries of the universe. They help us to separate fact from fiction and to build a more accurate understanding of the world around us. And a commitment to seeking the truth. Whether we are exploring the depths of the ocean, the far reaches of space, or the mysteries in our own backyard, the quest for truth is a journey that requires curiosity, perseverance, and an open mind. It's a journey that never truly ends, but one that is always worth taking.